Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. In this video, I'll show you how to disable the password login on Windows 11 and make the sign-in process faster. First, open the Settings app on your computer. Next, go to Accounts, then select Sign-in Options. Scroll down and find the option related to requiring sign-in. Change this setting to Never so Windows won't ask you to sign in again after certain situations. After that, open Command Prompt as Administrator. Copy the command that I've left in the video description, paste it into Command Prompt, and press Enter. Once the command is completed, open the Run dialog by pressing Windows+R on your keyboard. Paste the command or text that I've provided in the description into the search box and press Enter. A new window will open where you can manage your login settings. From there, you can access the available password options and adjust your sign-in preferences. Make sure you understand the changes before applying them, because removing login protection means anyone with access to your computer can open your account. And that's it. That's how you can change the password login settings on Windows 11. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.